Hey everyone, in this short video, I will explain to you what is Meta AI in WhatsApp, how it works, and how to use it on WhatsApp. Just watch this video till the end. And do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. Video Meta AI and WhatsApp is the implementation of artificial intelligence capabilities within the popular messaging platform. It allows users to interact with advanced chatbots powered by cutting-edge algorithms and machine learning techniques. The integration of Meta AI and WhatsApp brings numerous benefits, ensuring users can have dynamic, personalized, and responsive conversations within the app. But wait, what exactly can the Meta AI chatbot do? Let's explore its capabilities. The Meta AI chatbot is designed to comprehend and respond to user queries, making the experience more interactive and human-like. Furthermore, the Meta AI chatbot can learn from user interactions and adapt its responses over time, enhancing its accuracy and understanding. With each conversation, this feature ensures an even more natural and efficient interaction. Now that you understand the power of Meta AI and WhatsApp, let's explain how you can use this game-changing feature. Using the Meta AI chatbot in WhatsApp is incredibly simple. Just open an individual or group chat and start a conversation like you would with any other contact. The Meta AI chatbot will seamlessly integrate into your chat, ready to assist you. Now type at the rate in the message typing box. A list of options will appear, including Meta AI. Select it. After that, ask your question to Meta AI. It will immediately answer to your question. If you want to generate an AI image, simply type at the rate and select SL. Imagine and describe what type of image you want and tap the send button. Additionally, you can access the Meta AI chatbot by searching Meta AI on the WhatsApp search bar. Now tap on it to open. After opening, simply chat with Meta AI. It will provide you with relevant answers to your questions. Meta AI and WhatsApp is revolutionizing the way we interact with chatbots, making conversations more intuitive, personalized, and helpful. Hope this video helped you. If so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and tips videos. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment box.